Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, it's me again, Klyde. And nandito naman ako para sa isang tutorial which is about my signature pageant look that I am wearing right now. And I will use this look if I will join some pageants and if some of my friends will join pageants. And yes, if you want to learn more about this tutorial, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's start. So guys, maglalagay muna ako ng foundation cream sa aking under eyes. And I will use this 2-in-1 multifunction base, makeup base plus foundation cream by Ashley Shine. So, maglalagay ako sa aking kamay. Konti lang guys, parang ganito. Yan, kahit ganyan lang kunin yung amount, okay na yan. So, maglalagay na ako nitong product sa aking under eye. Ayan. Tagtatatlong dots lang at okay na yan. So next, we're just take a damp beauty blender and blend it well so that it is not too harsh or too light to see. So ang beauty blender ko pa nga pala guys is medyo basa. And it's okay. Para ma-blend siyang mabuti. Next, for my foundation, I will use this Ashley Shine foundation. So, kukunti na lang siya guys kasi madalas ko siyang ginagawa. And now guys, maglalagay ako ng product sa aking kamay ulit. Mga isang pump lang or dalawa, okay na yan. I will do the same just like before nung naglagay ako ng foundation cream sa aking under eye. Sa aking forehead. Sa aking chin. So again, take your damp beauty blender and blend the foundation. So kapag kulang pa yung product na nalagay mo sa face mo, maglagay ka lang like nakalimutan ko maglagay ng foundation sa aking ilong. Sa aking forehead. So, parang kulang pa yung nalagay kong product sa aking mukha. Maglalagay ulit ako. So, tapos na ako maglagay ng foundation. Sunod, magsiset na ako ng powder sa aking under. The powder that I will use is this Johnson's Baby Powder na maliit at color puti. So just take a flat round sponge at gamitin natin siya pang set sa ating under eye. At i-blend ko na siya agad guys. Hindi na natin siya papatagalin sa ating under eye. So nakakabitit yung mga dumi. So blend lang ng blend. Para gumanda na. At kuminis. At gumanda. Gusto nyo yon, gusto ko yon. Sabi ni Liv Padena. Next, I'm gonna put some powder on my face. And I will use this powder. Nabura na yung pangalan niya. Ay, ayan, meron. A&W Smooth Natural Powder. Ayun. So, maglalagay ako nito on the rest of my face. So, guys, apply lang ng apply para bongga na. Parang ginigay ako si Liv Cadena, guys. Kasi I love her vid so much, mga darling. At di na nga pala ako gagamit ng concealer ko. Kasi yung concealer ko parang wala namang effect. Maglalagay tayo sa akin. Para mukhang mag-match naman siya sa akin skin color. I mean face color. Tapos na ako maglagay ng powder sa aking mukha at sunod magkikilay na ako. So for the brows, I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. Nabura na din yung pangalan niya. And this is only affordable. And go na. Start na tayo magkilay. Ayan, natapos na ako magkilay. Susunod, mag-eyeshadow na ako. So, for the eyeshadow, I will use 3 eyeshadows. And the first one is the Sephora Colorful 9 eyeshadow. And next one is this Miss New Attractive Fashion Color eyeshadow. And next, this is the Maya eyeshadow. So, let's start putting up some eyeshadow. For the transition color, I will use 3 colors. This light brown and medium brown and this dark brown. Start putting up some eyeshadow. So, natapos na ako maglagay ng transition color. And now, we're gonna use this black eyeshadow from the Maze Eyeshadow for my lids. And we're gonna use a flat brush. By the way nga pala guys, ang inspiration ko nga pala dito sa video na ito ay si Michelle D. Dahil meron siyang video na pageant look din. At doon ako na-inspire gumawa ng isang pageant look. Which is I did doon sa sa kapatid ng friend ko nung sumali siya ng Barakong Maganda. Yes. And so, ayan, tapos na ako sa eyeshadow, mag-eyeliner na ako. By the way nga pala guys, bago ako maglagay ng eyeliner, I forgot to put some shimmery shadows on my lids. So, going to the Sephora Colorful 9 palette, I'm gonna use this shade right here for my lids. Kasi, kapag gabi ginaganap ang pageant, you should always use some shimmery color. So, let's start applying. Eyeliner that I will use is this Ashley Shine Waterproof Eyeliner. And gagawin ko ang eyeliner off camera kasi hindi ako makapag-focus ng mabuti. So, I'll be back. So, I did this simple wing liner and maglalagay na ako ng contour sa aking cheekbone. So, the contour that I will use is the dark brown eyeshadow from the Maze palette. Kasi wala pa akong contour kit, guys. So, I'm gonna bake my contour in my cheekbones and I will use the baby powder. So, I'm going to contour my nose using the same eyeshadow that I've used in my cheekbones. Para lang tong contour na to sa mga hindi matatangos ang... So, na-contour ko na at nabake ko ng aking ilong. Next, we're gonna brush the powder off in our face. Next, guys, I'm gonna put some blush on, and I'm gonna use this Caroline eyeshadow and blush set, this one, and we're gonna put it on the side of our cheeks. And next, I'm gonna do highlight, and I will use this white eyeshadow from the palette. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, and I'm making sure that it is blended well. And also dito sa top. Para kapag side view kayo, may highlight din siya. Naglalagay pala ako ng highlight sa aking taas ng brow and sa arc ng aking kilay. Ayan. Next, for the lips, I'm gonna use this pink lipstick, and ito yung gagamitin ko, yung nasa baba. Kasi nawala na yung product dito sa bullet, and I'm just gonna use this one. And then we're just gonna get our lip brush, and let's start applying lipstick. First, I'm gonna draw my lips. And also, I'm extending the lipstick so that my lips will look bigger. Ano ba yun? Mali mo. Parang ang trying hard ko mag-English, guys. Mali-mali yung grammar ko. Feeling professional beauty girl like. Basta yun na yun, mag-apply na lang kayo ng mag-apply. Tapos, nilalagbas ko siya sa aking lips. I'm gonna put a nude color on my inner lips, and I will use this matte lip gloss by Mia, satin matte finish, and just apply it on my inner lips. Okay na ba to, guys? Parang okay na yata. Okay na to, guys. Just for the sake of this look. Oo nga pala, guys, I forgot. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna put mascara and a false eyelashes. And gagawin ko na din to off cam para hindi na matagal yung video natin ngayon. So, ang ginamit ko nga pala, guys, na pang curl ng lashes at mascara is this Avon Style Essentials and the Avon Simply Pretty Total Curl Mascara. And the falsies is this Ashley Shine Slim Curling Thick False Eyelashes. And I will just finalize my look, and I will be right back. So guys, I am back with my final look. Nagpalit lang ako ng off-shoulder at nagaya ko ng mga accessories para mukhang beautiful ang dating natin. Anyways, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow all my social media accounts. I will link it down below. And comment down below kung ano pang looks ang gusto nyong gawin ko. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!